Ever found yourself tinkering with a home project or urgently needing a light bulb replacement? Well, chances are you've crossed paths with the iconic red and white emblem of Ace Hardware. With a staggering 60.2 million Ace Rewards members, there's a high probability that an Ace store is just a stone's throw away from your doorstep. Imagine over 5,000 of these havens scattered across every nook and cranny of the United States and gracing more than 60 countries worldwide. They're not just your typical home improvement store. They're the heavyweight champion of the industry, surpassing the combined might of Lowe's and Home Depot. Now, the numbers may seem overwhelming, but here's the twist. These stores, though smaller in footprint, pack a punch, ranging from 5,000 to 10,000 square feet. Don't let the size fool you. Their $9 billion revenue speaks volumes. Ace operates on a distinct business model, steering away from the colossal sizes of its counterparts, resembling more the charm of local hardware joints like Do It Best or True Value. So, buckle up as we delve into the unique world of Ace Hardware, where size doesn't matter, but success certainly does. Explore untold stories of iconic brands and personalities at the Bullish Society. Uncover forgotten archives, secrets, and narratives that shape our world. Meet visionaries, voices of change, and immerse yourself in defining stories. Subscribe now and join our community of storytellers. Don't miss the tales behind every success and failure. At the core of Ace Hardware's resilience is its unique co-op structure, different from conventional business models, owned by a network of small business entrepreneurs, each running an individual store under the Ace Hardware brand. This cooperative model began in 1924, originally driven by the appeal of bulk purchase discounts. Store owners collaborate to enhance their purchasing power, a principle shaping Ace Hardware for a century. The concept is simple. Store owners pool resources to secure better deals. This cooperative spirit has fueled Ace Hardware's growth as a collective force. By the 1960s, Ace Hardware stores were nationwide, supported by strategically located warehouses. This network allows owners to access a diverse product range from over a dozen warehouses across the country. In 2007, Ace Hardware considered transitioning into a conventional public company for capital infusion. However, complications arose, including a multi-million-dollar account error and opposition from store owners. Ultimately, the plan to go public was abandoned. Beyond its cooperative strength, Ace Hardware's triumph lies in the power of its brand. Originating from World War I, the term Flying Ace inspired the name Ace Hardware, symbolizing expertise and skill. This brand, represented by the iconic red Ace Hardware logo in all stores, unifies them into a global force and ranks among the top 100 most recognizable brands worldwide. Brand recognition is fortified through substantial investments in national campaigns, supported by store owners' contributions, totaling around $100 million annually. Celebrity spokespersons like John Madden or Suzanne Somers enhance brand visibility. The privilege of displaying the Red Ace Hardware branding comes with expectations. Store owners must meet benchmarks and criteria to maintain this branding, ensuring the unwavering trust and recognition associated with the Ace Hardware name. It's a promise of quality and reliability. Commercials, integral to Ace Hardware's strategy, evolve to showcase products and convey the commitment required from store owners. Some commercials defy expectations, adding personality to the brand. In essence, they testify to the dedication needed to uphold the esteemed Ace Hardware brand. In the hardware retail landscape, where giants boast superior pricing and vast selections, Ace Hardware distinguishes itself with a focus on customer service and convenience, the prime reasons many prefer it over larger competitors. Ace Hardware strategically positions itself as the neighborhood hardware store, statistically closer to more people than its larger counterparts. This accessibility makes it the go-to option for small projects and immediate household needs, aiming for a swift solution for the community. The smaller smaller store format is a relief for customers overwhelmed by choices in larger establishments. Ace Hardware curates a selection, minimizing exhaustive wandering, and emphasizes convenience, streamlining the shopping experience. Exemplary customer service is the linchpin of Ace Hardware's success, consistently ranking at the pinnacle of J.D. Power's annual customer satisfaction surveys. Since 2007, Ace Hardware has been the victor, delivering a helpful, friendly, and knowledgeable staff. The iconic jingle, "Ace is the place with the helpful hardware folks," underscores the emphasis on helpfulness. Ace Hardware strives for an individualized, neighborly experience, setting it apart from larger retail chains. A key to Ace Hardware's lasting success is its alignment with a growing community of DIYers, individuals tackling home improvement projects independently. Positioned at the forefront of this movement, Ace has demonstrated resilience throughout the market shifts. Originating in the 1920s amid economic upheaval, Ace Hardware's timing proved fortuitous. Financial constraints led people to DIY, turning to Ace for tools during the Great Depression. Post-World War II, a surge in home ownership further fueled the DIY trend. The 1980s witnessed industry growth, but also heightened competition, with unconventional players like grocery stores entering the hardware market. The emergence of the Home Depot, the largest of its kind, heightened competition. In 1999, the Home Depot attempted to compete directly with Ace Hardware through Villagers Hardware, a smaller store concept. Although this venture fell short, it underscores the intensified competitive landscape. What distinguishes Ace Hardware is its ability to evolve while maintaining core principles. Adapting to market shifts, Ace navigated the changing landscape without compromising its commitment to service, convenience, and a neighborhood-centric approach. The company's journey reflects an impressive balance, adapting to industry dynamics while preserving the essence that resonates with generations of DIY enthusiasts. Ace Hardware's enduring success is anchored in its diverse product offerings, shaped by localized nature of its stores and a focus on convenience and community preferences. Locally owned Ace Hardware stores, operated by community-embedded individuals, tailor their selections to resonate with residents' needs. This localized approach fosters familiarity and connection with the customer base, emphasizing convenience. Ace Hardware highlights smaller, essential items, catering to immediate needs for a swift and accessible experience. The strategic focus on quick-grab items like light bulbs aligns with evolving trends, exemplified by the transition to LED bulbs in 2012. Partnerships like the 2010 licensing deal with Sears to introduce Craftsman products enhance product offerings and contribute to Ace Hardware's appeal. A distinctive feature is Ace Hardware's extensive private label offerings, including Ace-branded products. These items, with higher profit margins, foster brand loyalty through exclusivity. The uniqueness and quality of Ace Hardware's private label products, spanning 12,000 items, build customer loyalty and encourage return visits. In summary, Ace Hardware's success in the realm of product offerings emerges from a combination of community-centric curation, strategic focus on convenience, collaborative partnerships, and a robust private label strategy. This multifaceted approach ensures that stepping into an Ace Hardware store is not just a transaction, but an experience tailored to the local community, marked by familiarity, convenience, and a diverse array of products that cater to both immediate needs and enduring brand preferences. Thanks for joining us on this captivating journey through the stories that shape our world. Your support keeps the Bullish Society thriving. Subscribe and ring the notification bell to never miss a captivating story. More incredible stories and interviews are coming your way. Stay tuned for what's next on the Bullish Society.